Hey everybody, this is Jim Grzanzio from the Oracle Groundbreakers team, and it's Saturday morning here in Hyderabad, India, and this is for day 2 of the Sangam conference. And for this morning, I'm here with Mano and Sashi. Mano and Sashi, welcome, guys.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jim.
So we're going to have a little conversation here about your session and a little bit about the conference today. And since it's the wrap-up day, and we'll talk about the community as well. Okay, so you guys are doing e-business migration, something like that, right? So
Right.
Why don't you give me an overview of the session?
Yeah, we are talking about e-business suite and other ERP applications moving from customers on-premises to Oracle Cloud. So this is where the customer get benefits in terms of cost, scalability, and performance. So we are going to talk about the business benefits as well as the technical details, the deep dive, like how they do the migration using the automation tools like Cloud Manager, and how they utilize the marketplace where we have ready to use images, which definitely makes life easier for the customer.
Interesting. So migrating to the cloud, to me, but from what I've heard, a lot of times people say, "Oh, it's not that hard. It's not that hard to do." But a lot of other people are saying there's extreme complexity here. Is this stuff hard?
Yeah, you see, actually, it was hard earlier, like before we having now to move, for example, if to move e-business suite to cloud, we have automation tool called Cloud Manager. So before that, it was a little bit of time-consuming process. And if you don't take cloud, if it's just on-premises cloning from one environment to another environment, it takes a lot of time, maybe in weeks to take, or 1 week to 2 weeks to take a clone from one environment to another environment. Come to the cloud world, we have this automation tool called e-business Cloud Manager, which will help you to seamlessly move from on-premise to cloud within a few days' time, less than a week. So it really makes life simple. That's how. What happens is we hear feedback from a lot of customers, and we have developed tools. One is this Cloud Manager, other one is something called images. Suppose somebody wants to try it out and see how it works in cloud. We have marketplace. We have our e-business suite image in marketplace. You can just go there and download and try it out yourself. Life is made simple or easy for the customers.
Okay, interesting. So what's the difference between so you guys have something called Cloud at Customer, right? So what's involved with that?
So what happens is, like, cloud at customer is something like some customers would not like to move to cloud, but still they want to use all the features of cloud. Reasons could be data sovereignty. The regulations may not allow you to go data outside that data or premises. So what Oracle do is we bring Exadata instead of being an on-premises. Instead of being in cloud, Oracle will give a provision new brand Exadata at customer premises. We bring the Exadata customer premises that sits behind the customer premise firewall. So what happens is customer meets the regulatory sovereignty, data sovereignty, and they can subscribe all the cloud facilities. There is a subscription model, and they get all the benefits of cloud.
And when it comes to Exadata generally supports mixed workload. That means the OLTP and data warehouse kind of workloads. And ERP is something which generates the data warehouse and OLTP, the mixed workload. So that Exadata Cloud at Customer, that definitely best suits for the ERP applications.
Yeah. So you guys busy lately then?
Yeah, you see, there's a large install base for on Oracle apps, especially in e-business suite. A lot of customers are waiting to move to cloud, and our goal is to share our knowledge in this community. Kind of Sangam. We also have OT and Yatra. A lot of events happen. We share our knowledge to the customers, and we help them. Their journey is seamless towards moving to the cloud. So it keeps us busy. A lot of engagement comes in working on this, running into proof of concept demo, and primarily we from SE Hub team, Solution Engineering Hub team, we do that, helping customers understand our product, OCI, Exadata, XSAC, and make their cloud journey easy.
So the conversations that you've been having here at the conference, what is there a consensus, and is it most of it is cloud or on-prem, or cloud at customer?
It is mostly for cloud. We recommend customers to move to cloud and cloud at customer.
So both simultaneously.
Yeah, both simultaneously, because OCI, when it comes to cloud, OCI has different. They offer different services, whereas for their major applications, the bigger applications, big enterprises, they can go for cloud at customer, while the small businesses they can go to OCI, the cloud.
Both offerings are there. As he said, Mano said, we have both offerings. Small customers go to DBCS, which is called a database cloud service, and the application can sit on the compute tier, which is a small or medium enterprises. Whereas Exadata or the cloud customer will be a large enterprises, which heavy workload customers, they can go for cloud customer.
So you guys are both at Oracle, and this is my first Sangam conference. But have you been to previous Sangam conferences?
This is first time for me. Yeah.
I have attended a couple of times, and this is my second time presenting. Last year I presented on Recovery Appliance. This time presenting on e-business cloud.
Okay, and so any comments on the conference itself? I mean, there's a lot of energy in there, a lot of developers and DBAs.
Yeah, it's a great event to interact with the DBAs and the developers and the product team itself. So we play a key role in filling the gap. We take the input from the our community people, and we give the feedback to the product management. This definitely helps us in filling the gap, and we create a win-win situation. And this is the right occasion. Events like Sangam and OTN Yatra, these are the events where we can use the opportunity to fill the gaps and create a win-win situation.
Yeah, absolutely. I second Mano. It's the right opportunity, because yesterday when we were attending one of the e-business sessions, a lot of questions came. So we thought, okay, these are the things it has to go back to product team. For example, Gen 2, working on Gen 2, there are a lot of inputs saying that, okay, we don't have this in Gen 1, Gen 2. So we get these inputs and we go back to the customer, our product team, and give feedback to them.
So this type of work, in terms of working directly with the community, is something that you guys seem to value.
Absolutely,
Yes.
yeah. It's very much valuable. Please go ahead, man.
Yeah, I'm done.
I can only have one microphone here for the three of us. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks a lot. Is there anything else that you wanted to say?
Guys, come to Sangam. You can learn a lot in Sangam. So many sessions happens, not only e-business or apps, associate. There are so many things happens, different tracks are there. Please come and enjoy, learn yourself, especially network yourself.
Yeah, I request Jim to attend our session in room number 7 at 3 o'clock today.
Yeah, please,
afternoon.
guys, please come to our session. It's at 2:55, room number 7. Don't miss it.
Yeah, it's actually, it's like over 100 sessions. It's a lot of sessions, many tracks yesterday and today. So guys, thanks a lot for coming by. Appreciate it. We'll be back here in Hyderabad for some more conversations from Sangam. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.